look who's still alive. You survived the chemistry quiz. How did it go? You know what? It actually wasn't a total disaster. Thanks to our lightning review on the bus, I knew the answer to the covalent bonds question. See? I told you so. You owe me big time. What about the rest of the quiz? Well, let's just say I hope Mr. Green grades on a curve. But hey, a pass is a pass. Exactly. So, did you manage to get some rest during free period, or were you stressing about the basketball game? A bit of both. My coach gave us a huge pep talk during recess. He said the West Side High Scouts are going to be in the crowd today. Wow, really? That's a big deal, Leo. Are you nervous? Ugh, terrified. If I mess up my layups, it's gonna look bad, and my legs still feel like lead from staying up late last night. Hey, look at me. You are the best shooter on the team. You've practiced all semester for this. Just drink some water, eat your lunch, and don't overthink it. Thanks, Maya. I needed to hear that. By the way, any updates on your library shift? Yes, I spoke to Mrs. Gable. She said if I help her organize the new fiction section before 4:30 p.m., I can leave early. Seriously? So you'll make it to the game? I'll be there right at the start of the third quarter. I'll even bring a big sign with your name on it if you want. Please don't. That would be so embarrassing. Just your cheering is enough. The afternoon warning bell rings. Time for English literature. Let's go, basketball star. Don't want to be late for this one either. Lead the way, Captain.